Hello dear students, I am Professor Neha Khare from Bhopal. Today we will discuss about in engineering chemistry. So in this subject is module 1 water and its industrial application. So first of all we will discuss about sources of water. So different sources of water, also previous knowledge. So surface water, rainwater and also underground water. So surface water is also known as the surface on the earth. It is generally clear and the colorless and some acidic in nature because of the dissolved organic and different carbon dioxide gases also present in the water. So the different sources of surface water. And second is underground water. Underground water is also known as like spring water, well water, and tube well also water. Next is impurities of water. So different impurities of water dissolve in the water bodies like suspended impurities, colloidal impurities, dissolved impurities, and biological impurities. So these are the different impurities. So first is the dissolved impurities. Some inorganic salt and organic salt like sulfates and chlorides of calcium and magnesium ions, and also gases like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, and wait and sulfides and different organic salt are the dissolved in the water body. So these are the dissolved impurities. And the second is suspended impurities. Suspended like these included organic matters like soil, sand, clay, and organic matters such as the leaves, plant leaves and branches, twigs, animal matter, and also dead waste in the water. So having a size of particles at least greater than the 1000 angstrom and also visible. These are the all impurities, visible impurities, also suspended impurities. And third is colloidal impurities. Colloidal impurities like very fine size like silica and alumina, and also organic waste. And this type of impurities impart color and the turbidity of the water. And these include solid impurities may be present in water and in the finally divided in the suspended state. And also organic matters like animal matters, numeric acids can be removed by the applying some chemical treatments. Next is for fourth is bacterial impurities. Bacterial impurities, these includes bacteria, algae, fungi, and other small size aquatic animals. They are the present in the surface water, and this type of impurities like causes like impart color, odor, and the turbidity of the water. Bacteria, germs, pathogens, microbes, and virus, parasites, and these are the all chemicals responsible for the bacterial impurities. Included algae, beneficial bacteria. Algae is a beneficial bacteria that decompose waste, and the harmful bacteria such as the those that causes cholera. Next is effect of impurities. So in this diagram, different type of impurities are responsible for the different bacteria, virus, and pathogens. Next is hardness of water. So different impurities dissolve in the water, so that is produce of different hardness of water. So what is hardness of water? First as a different impurities, and the soap consuming power of water is known as hardness of water. It is a characteristics of the which prevent of the lathering of the soap. The hardness of water is due to the presence of calcium and also magnesium salt, and other responsible ions for the hardness are aluminium, iron, and also manganese. and other heavy metals also dissolve in the water for the responsible of hardness of water. So, like in this reaction, sodium acetate, when the reaction of the calcium sulfate, so calcium acetate and sodium sulfate are released. So, calcium sulfate is the insoluble water in this reaction. Calcium sulfate is the insoluble water, and sodium acetate is a sodium stearate, not acetate, sodium stearate. It is a soap content. When the soap content react with the magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, so it is produced will be insoluble salt. Magnesium salt, magnesium stearate, when we called magnesium stearate, and also releases sodium chloride. Then types of hardness. So first is temporary hardness and second permanent hardness. So in this beaker, this is the hard water, also like dissolve different types of chemicals like magnesium, calcium and iron, and this is the hardness of the show side in the side wall, soft and hard water, so that is produced in ppm. Ppm is the parts per million. Temporary hardness. So first is temporary hardness. Temporary, just like temporary, it is a sometime presence of the dissolved bicarbonate of calcium, magnesium and other heavy metals, and the carbonate of iron. Thus the salt responsible for the temporary hardness like calcium bicarbonate and also magnesium bicarbonate. This hardness is also known as alkaline hardness. The second name of temporary hardness is second name of alkaline hardness. So calcium bicarbonate, it when we boiled water, calcium bicarbonate also dissolved in the water. It is a hardness, so it is produce calcium carbonate and water molecule and also carbon dioxide release. And second reaction is magnesium bicarbonate. When magnesium bicarbonate is also dissolved in water, so when we boil water and magnesium carbonate or magnesium hydroxide is released, and also water and carbon dioxide is separately. Temporary hardness can also be removed by addition of calcium, calculated amount of lime and also soda requirement for the different types of remove of hardness. Just like calcium bicarbonate is the react of calcium hydroxide, it is a lime. CaOH whole twice is a lime. So when we produce of calcium carbonate and also release of uh, filter water, and also magnesium bicarbonate react with the CaOH whole twice, it is a lime, and also remove is magnesium carbonate and calcium carbonate and water molecule. This type of hardness is due to the presence of sulfate and chloride of the calcium and magnesium. It is a permanent hardness. It is a permanent hardness. This is called the permanent hardness because it cannot be removed simply by boiling, and it is also known as non-carbonate hardness. Special methods like lime soda process, zeolite process and also ion exchange methods are used for the removal of permanent hardness. So permanent hardness also present in the water when we different types of chemical like calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, different acids and different salt are the responsible for the hardness producing of water for the permanent hardness. Then we will coming of units of hardness. So different types of units of hardness. So first is ppm, means parts per million. Second is a milligram per liter. Third is degree clock, and fourth is degree French. Sorry. relation between various units of hardness. So these are the different types of hardness, also relatives to 1 ppm is equals to 1 milligram per liter, and 0.1 degree French and equal to 0.07 degree chlor. Thank you, dear students.